guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can become pro verified in your Fiverr account. So in order to do that, just scroll down till you find this option that says Fiverr Pro. Once you tap on it, you'll be led to this page. You just need to tap on the option that says Upgrade to Fiverr Pro, and to upgrade to Fiverr Pro is to hire vetted freelancers. So to unlock Fiverr Pro's exclusive features, you need to hire on an hourly basis or per project. You need to be guaranteed quality. You must have access to our business rewards and program. By our, I mean Fiverr, and management and collaboration tools. So just tap on continue. You can choose the options on how many employees are in your company, and you can choose what's your role, and a new business account is being set up. So after you do that, you'll be able to be pro verified on Fiverr. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.